Hello friends, now welcome to my YouTube video lecture, and this is my this is the lecture of Excel of 5.2, okay, of Swami Vivekananda Institute online classes. Okay friend, today I will give you information about the clipboard. Okay, which clipboard? Here, look at that, this clipboard. Okay, so the office clipboard task phone. Okay friend, how it is work, I will give you information. Just click on it. Okay, after clicking, if you want to copying something, then look at here. If we select copy, okay, we are selected here copy, and we want to paste anywhere in the worksheet. Okay, look at that, here we are copy and pasting. What is come here, look at that, this is data what you are copied from the home in the clipboard. Okay, and look at that, if we select the data and choose a cut option, then the same data will also come here. Look at that, the same data will also come. Okay, if we select this and go to copy, then the data are come. Okay, if we select any data, then what is doing clipboard is selecting same data whatever you selected. Okay, for the further process, if you want to paste some data, like for example this, so click on here, this data will be pasted. Okay, so you can do same thing. Okay friend, for example, if you want to paste your data, then select the cell where you want to save your data. Okay friend, for example, if you want to paste your data here, then select. Okay, if you want to paste this copy, okay, you want to paste anywhere, anytime. Okay, anywhere and anytime. If you are not selected a copy option, okay, you can paste from here, you can paste from here. Okay friend, look at that friend, Control Z, look at that, this is a copy. Okay, your option is to be copied. Okay friend, if you want to same data click anywhere, you have to click on this. Okay, select your cell and click on this. Okay friend, so if you click here, then you have a lots of option. You want to delete it, okay, and you want to paste it. You have to paste from clicking here, and you also paste from clicking here. Okay, look at that, if I click here, then paste is coming, pasted data, and if you click here, then pasted data is also come, and if we click on delete, then data is to be deleted. Okay, from the clipboard, not from my sheet. Okay, if you want to remove all the data, if you want to paste your all the data whatever you are selected in the clipboard, then click on here paste all. Look at that friend, here all the data are pasted in the one line. Okay friend, and if you want to remove here all the data, then you have to choose clear. Okay, clear all. Okay friend, so clipboard automatically have lots of option for you. So office clipboard automatically, if you click on this, then it will showing automatically after opening your Excel worksheet. Okay friends, so office clipboard, when CRTL plus C pressed, it means he is saying when you press twice CRTL plus CC, then your clipboard option is come here. Okay, okay friend, collect without showing office clipboard. So office clipboard icon on taskbar, it means he is saying your, look at that, this is your taskbar. Okay, if I click on this, then it will not show. Okay, show status taskbar when copying, whenever we are copying, he is saying whenever we are copying the data, then it is showing on taskbar. Okay, so friends, here lots of option you have to in clipboard. Okay friend, here I am stopping my lecture. Please friends, likes my video and subscribe my video. You can also give a comment to my video. Okay friend, let's bye bye, let's